Ramadan brings hearts together, but the real question is, will those bonds continue after Eid? Today's reminder is about strengthening community ties, strengthening bonds with neighbors and friends. Ramadan creates beautiful moments of togetherness, shared prayers, afters, and acts of kindness. One powerful way to preserve this spirit is to organize small Eid gatherings with neighbors, friends, or like-minded community members. Simple ceremonies, friendly competitions, and thoughtful gifts, suitable for both children and adults, help build joy, appreciation, and lasting memories. These gatherings are not merely celebrations. They nurture friendship, cooperation, and a culture of living together with warmth and respect. By planning forward-looking activities, we ensure that the unity experienced in Ramadan does not fade after Eid, but grows into stronger relationships and a supportive community. Ramadan is not only a season of worship, it is also a school of togetherness. Strong communities grow from shared moments, celebrate together, strengthen bonds, carry Ramadan unity forward. Like, if community matters to you, comment, how do you celebrate Eid with neighbors or friends? Subscribe to Light of IMAN for day 25, where we begin reflections centered on the Quran. May Allah unite hearts in goodness. Āmīn.